Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the model analog, digital, or hybrid because the button sequence changes. Locate mode, adjust, light, and search. Keep your thumb near mode. Once done, place the watch face up on a flat surface so you don't press buttons accidentally. Make sure batteries are working. Low power causes setting errors. Keep the manual or model number handy. It tells you whether the watch uses crown adjustments or button-only commands, and that affects the next steps. You press and hold adjust until the display or hands start flashing. That signals time-setting mode. Next, use mode to move through fields, seconds, hour, minutes, year, month, day, so you change only the active item. When the hour or minute is active, use search or the +/- buttons to increment values. Hold the button to advance quickly. Once numbers look correct, pause between changes so the module registers them, and remember to set AM/PM or 24-hour format as required. You finish by pressing adjust to save and exit. The flashing stops and the watch returns to normal mode. If the analog hands don't match the digital readout, enter the hand position correction mode, usually by holding specific buttons, and align hands manually so they reflect the digital time. If settings fail to save, try a module reset or replace the battery because low voltage causes glitches. When stuck, consult the model manual for exact button combos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.